Hello, my name is Ahmad Zulkarnaen bin Tamby Suleiman. I'm an ex-BITD, graduate around 2019. Now working at Fab Integrations Neighborhood at Cheng Melaka as a software developer. Today I want to share with you about my experience, my job description, and also my qualification. My job description is as a software developer, I have developed a system for the factory integration, which is a semiconductor factory. We do the system for the automate all the system and the process at the factory. We have developed many kind of system, which is a web application system, Windows application system, and also web service application for the service to run monitor all the automation at the factory. As usual, we develop the web application using the C# and the Vue.js technology. Also, we develop on using the SQL server database. We use many of the PSQL. We also manage to do many big data on the database, and also we integrate with our machine learning. Also, we have a desktop application, which is this desktop application we place on the machine. Then this desktop application we communicate with our service application, which is to send all the information, all the database to the database, and we have another application to monitoring all the tasks, all the job from the database. Then we extract, then we send from the equipment to the host. We also integrate this one with another language, which is to interact between the machine and the host. Then we use the one of we call a SetJam language. This is from semi standard, and also we have many integration with the machine and also our applications. Today, programming is very important to understand about the logic and the concept. Industrial is needed a person with a strong logic thinking and understand about the concept. We still learning in a learning process, and we try to adapt all the input and all the information what is industry needed. But we need to prepare what the industry needed. Industry needed a person with can manage their mental, their fit to the many situation with this stressful situation. With this we need to carry many tasks. Then the task is we have some period you need to close and settle down all the tasks. I have a few experience with dealing the customer. Sometimes we need to deal at the night also. Because we also do the support for the factory integration system. Then the factory integration, then the machine cannot run at the night. Then we need to deal with the customer and to make sure the machine can run back to the production, and make sure all the process is run quickly and through. Sometimes we dealing a project with a short time period, then this one is very stressful, and sometimes we need to travel and need to stay down at the office to develop the application at the night. Then we come to the factory tomorrow, then we test all the system and integrate with the factory. Me as a degree students from the BITD, I think the opportunity is to learn about the programming database is high opportunity. Also, we hope all the students have some logics and some understanding about the programming, also with the OOP programming, and many technology we needed on the industry, which is like now the high demand is C# Java, Python and everything. Now we have the technical, we need to dealing the server and everything, and we need to create tasks and scripting. Also we can learn about the PowerShell and everything. We create the current job, how to install the application, everything quickly. Then we can use the many technology on the industry. Also, as a database students, we need to know a variety of the database, which is we need know about the RDBMS. Also we need to know about the non-SQL database. This is very important because some of the system we deal a non-SQL database, because we need to do the big data, and also we need to manage the data in a time of per seconds. We need to speed down all the database process within application and database. I hope this talk and this sharing can help all the students to make sure prepare yourself and make sure you're fit to come to the industry, and you have the big picture what the industry needed from you guys to make sure you're capable on the industry. Last words I can give to you is make sure you have one programming language that you expert, and also one database you expert. Then you understand the logic and you understand the concept, which is a database concept or programming concept. Then you can do anything, any language, any database give it to you. As long as you understand the concept, then you can survive on the industry. Then make sure you have the you also have the leadership and good communication skill with the other person, because during the industry we not deal with the programming language. We need to deal with our customer, because customer is not only from Malaysia, maybe from other country like Singapore, Thailand, Philippines. Because I have experience deal with this kind of persons. Is very kind and very helpful person. Then we need to know the culture at outside from the Malaysian, how the culture we works and how we manage the stressful situation and everything. Hope you guys can prepare yourself, can make sure you are a good programmer and you have a good database administrator. Then please come to our industry, then make our UTEM product with us, because UTEM is produce the good quality of students. Last word, anything just come from your heart. You do the best programming, then you can be a master of the programming. Then maybe you be a master of the DBA. Okay, thanks, bye.